We rolling the J. Oh shit, no fucking way. I'm recording in. It's gonna be on YouTube. This is crazy as shit. Some homeless to have you mental. And what it is reality shit is so sick. I haven't doing fatalities. Never do it, don't ever forgive me. You trying to do this shit so sick as way. How they forget me? I don't even give a shit. It's just the sickest when I flip these flicks so quick like Christmas. Every day is another day. Don't know way we smoking that herbal waves. Yeah, it's the shit will get you obliterated. I don't even give a shit. Prostitution, motherfucker, prosecution. All the things. What the fuck you think you're doing? Execution of execution. What the fuck you doing? So you don't even know when you roll down. It's a craziest shit. It's y'all get this saga. The Cleats will drop your ride. They shoot you in the face, motherfuckers. Super motherfucker, we red, big green and blue. Let's see what the fuck it gonna do. They ain't gonna do shit. Motherfucker, come on here in the bed in the mission. It's the shit we'll get to get on my wrist with. Shit. Put them on cross like a Christian. Switching my phone like I'm just this shit. I don't even give a shit. Motherfucking listen. Doing super crazy shit. How can I forget it? Nah, what the fuck? It's the craziest shit. Crazy trick on some craziest shit. I don't even give a fuck. Well, it's just super quick. I don't even give a shit. This fast is quick. About the freestyle go loud. It's Cleat eyes. Motherfuckers ain't doing nothing. They trying to see us. It's the craziest shit. The craziest shit. Yeah! Zaga! Yo, what up? It's Cleat eyes in the building. Liberate them. No, you know, shout out to Young Monday. Yeah, kill him. Kill him, yeah, kill him, shit. Kill it. Shout out to Tosh Point. Oh, put me on Tosh Yaga. Yeah. Put me on Comedy Central, or put me on Tosh Show, or put me on Tosh Point. Oh, they don't even know. Flip them and flip them. I don't even give a shit. I'm so sick. I have them forgetting the lyrical shit. Crazy, yes. Just sit back and let me hit the spread. Oh, don't forget it's Purple MCs. Yeah, doesn't even matter what they say. Woo! Thunder! Pass the lighter! Oh! Tosh Point, oh! Put me on that show! Put me on that show! Famously Green Killer! A Christian thinking fluids. Yeah, Zaga, you killing it. Yeah. You already know. You already know. Look at it. See it? You see yourself? See yourself? We killing it. Zaga! We in the cabin and yeah, the business, right here, the crazy shit, yeah, the motherless. What are you doing? What we doing? kill the beast, now kill the beast. Yeah! Oh yeah! You always doing the stupidest shit, the funniest shit, the craziest shit. It's Click Guys Show! You already know it's the Click Guys Show! I'm going the craziest shit, oh no, they hitting the flow, come and get that, so